Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Tornador copy from AliExpress, which I bought like many years ago. I just completely forgot to record a video with. I even used it a couple of times already, but yeah, somehow I never recorded it. What I'm going to do is I will use it on some rubber floor mats and also some other plastic parts and such to attempt to clean. Let's roll.
Sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the copycat Tornador from AliExpress. I have to say it works very well considering its price. Obviously, if you want to have it for professional use, then I would say go for the original one, because I'm not sure how long would this one last. But if you are just a DIYer, a weekend warrior, and you break it out once a year, I think this would do the trick just fine. Other than that, make sure you have a proper compressor paired with it. The one I've got, this Kraft Decker, it was like under 100 euros. It was keep switching on, and the pressure was keep going away. But as I said, this one is a cheap compressor, so you need something more powerful to be able to supply the necessary air. Other than that, I can hands-on heart recommend, why not? And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.